Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Help with Ivo. Today we're going to take a look at something very important. These are modal verbs. There are a lot of them, but today we're just going to take a look at 4 of them. Can, could, shall, should. These are very, very important. I can't emphasize that enough. If you don't have these in your vocabulary, your toolbox is incomplete. So hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll get these ones under your belt. Can. So can be used to demonstrate ability. For example, she can speak 3 languages. She can speak 3 languages. Can also be used when asking to be allowed to use something. For example, and this is very basic and simple, can I use your car? Can is also used to request something. For example, can you be quiet, please? I'm studying. Can is also used to express possibility. For example, smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause cancer. Can is also used in polite offers of help. I'm afraid my boss has already left the office. Can I be of help to you? Another example would be, can I help you with the garbage? Do you feel comfortable using can? Let me know by making sentences in the comment section down below. Could. It's the past simple of can, and it is used to talk about what someone or something was able or allowed to do. For example, when I was younger, I could stay up all night and not get tired. Another example would be, you said we could watch TV after we finished our homework. Could is used as a more polite form of can when asking for permission. Could I speak to your teacher or your boss or your mother or your parents or your principal? Excuse me, could I say something? That would be another example. It's also used as a more polite form of can when asking someone to provide or do something. For example, could you lend me $10? Could you lend me $10? Or could you turn that music down a little, please? Could is also used to express possibility, especially slight or uncertain possibility. For example, Ashley could arrive anytime now. Could is also used for making a suggestion. We could have dinner after work tomorrow if you want. It is also used for saying angrily what you think someone else should do. For example, I waited ages for you. You could have said that you weren't coming. Now, don't forget to use the comment section down below to make some sentences with the modal verb could. Shall. It is used instead of will when the subject is I or we. For example, if you do that one more time, I shall be very upset. We shall let you know as soon as there is any news or development. Shall is also used to make a suggestion. I'm hot. Shall I turn on the AC, the air conditioning? Shall we go out for lunch tomorrow? Shall is also used to say that something will certainly happen. Don't worry, I shall be there to help out when you're moving. Don't forget to make sentences with shall in the comment section down below. Should. It is used to say or ask what the correct or best thing to do is. If you're mad at him, you should tell him, my laptop isn't working as it should. Should is also used to show that something is likely or expected. For example, you should find this material very helpful. It is used when referring to a possible event in the future. Should you ever need anything, please don't hesitate to contact us. Used after that to show that a situation possibly exists or might come into existence. We agreed that we should meet next week or the following week. It is also used after why when giving or asking the reason for something. Why should anyone want to live here? It is also used instead of would when the subject is I or we. I should like a cup of tea before I go to bed. It is also used to express surprise in sentences that are in the form of a question. For example, I was getting off the bus when who should I see but my old roommate, Jimmy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions related to these modal verbs, and I would be more than happy to assist.